Can HBAR, Hedera Hashgraph, be a crypto to look out for as we roll into 2024? Could this be one of our January 2024 picks that we could see some capital maybe rotate into HBAR? Because what we're seeing right now in the altcoin market is capital basically going into one crypto, maybe a couple cryptos, then coming out as people take profits, and then that same capital being injected and, basically forced into another crypto. So there's a lot of trading happening right now. We've seen it here for the past 5-6 months, and we've been taking part in some of that. Although, I am a long-term investor, I do like to see what I can do in some short-term swing trades, especially in this kind of market. Right, we're kind of in this accumulation phase. Uh, nothing's really pointing to we're in a full-fledged bull cycle, but nothing's really pointing to that we're in a downturn, bear market, worst case scenario, right? We're somewhere in between. And this is why I think traders have really stepped up. And there's not a lot of new money coming into crypto, but there's still money in crypto and it's recycling around right now. So if you guys want to become better traders, obviously, you guys know the links are down below for XT Algo. This is my trading indicator. Would love for you guys to come over and join us. But we're looking at HBAR. We're trying to guess right here and talk about what could be next up, right? In terms of some of these altcoins that could see some capital inflowing. Well, HBAR right now is one I'm watching very, very closely. And I'm going to tell you why here in this video, because we are getting very, very close right now to breaking a trend and breaking out to areas we have not seen since June of 2022. So take a look at this chart that I've got for you right now. The last time HBAR was up in this price range, as you guys can see, we're a little bit over 8 cents. Last time we were there was in February 2023, earlier this year. Now, I'm going to give you guys a similar situation here. Let me go over to ADA. I'm going to show you the Cardano chart just to show you what I'm talking about here. So we were talking about Cardano in the same vein for a very long time, except their local top this year was in April. But look what happened when Cardano broke through its local top, that blue line that we have running across there. We kept mentioning it and mentioning it and mentioning it. Obviously, we were accumulating Cardano down here at 24, 25 cents. I'm a huge Cardano bull, long-term investment for me. It's been one of the top cryptos I've owned for a while now. We were watching this really closely, right? And all of a sudden, we broke through our local resistance, our local, meaning our 2023 high. And look what happened. We had a God candle form straight up as we broke out of there, that 45-cent range. Boom. And here we are. Cardano sits at 62 cents today. So we're looking and seeing, okay, who else or what other cryptos, who else is close to doing something like this? And it's HBAR, guys. Here it is. Back in February, we were sitting about 9.5 cents. Here comes HBAR storming up to about 8.5 cents right now. If we buck this trend and break through the 9.5 cent mark, I'm going to be very interested to see where we go, because we could get all the way up to 25, 26 cents simply because we could fill that gap. And there's going to be a lot of room to run. Remember, we were way up here. This was back in April of 2022 in the mid 24, 25 cent range, kind of where Cardano was earlier this year. HBAR is always one of those that I really like. I own it. Do I own a ton of it? No, not necessarily. But I am watching this very closely, and I did go ahead and add a little bit to my position. Now, here's the thing. There's a caveat with this. If it doesn't happen and we get rejected here and we come back down, I'm still okay accumulating here at these ranges, at these levels. Okay. So I was looking at this as twofold. If I get in now and it breaks out, I could take that as a trading profit and then leave my long-term bag. If it doesn't happen how I think it could, if we break out from this range, then okay, I'll just accumulate more HBAR for next bull cycle, right? So that's how I'm playing this right now. Now, there's an article out there, HBAR price surging 13%. Will Hedera Crypto outperform in January? So a lot of people are starting to talk about it now. HBAR's price prediction favors the bulls, suggests a rally could be here and ready to go. HBAR formed a double bottom pattern on the higher time frame. This is always bullish. The recent breakout in Hedera price is supported by decent volume. We could see that HBAR, one of the top gainers, up 4% right now. Okay, we could see here in the last 7 days up 16%. There's a little breakout they were talking about Here in the last month, up 38%, but there still could be some room to grow. And there you go. There's a better picture of it. That's back in February. We're getting close to that local high. That's what we're watching here. Here it goes. It says right here, will HBAR price hit new swing high in January? And it says the HBAR price performed well in the last 2 months, formed a highly bullish pattern. It broke out of the 5-month swing highs, last 5-month swing highs, and buyers are successfully holding the higher levels. So we're not selling off dramatically, which is good. However, the Hedera coin price looks mildly overstretched and near the overbought territory on the RSI. So we could have a minor correction, which we could be experiencing that a little bit right now. There you go, just on this daily candle today. If we go in on the hour by hour, a little bit of a dip here, but this is okay. This is healthy. We could still recover from this. I'm still going to be watching this. And again, made a play on it. We'll see what happens because, again, if it doesn't work out how I want it to, then it just becomes, okay, I added to my HBAR bag for the long term. If you guys are looking on the daily time frame, last time our XT algo indicator flash was back on October 23rd. That was a big day for crypto. 60% move to the upside since then. Again, I mentioned this at the top. If you guys want access to XT algo, links down below. This indicator that I had built, it works. I'm super confident in it. And so many people are winning trades right now, whether it be Bonk or Sneck, some of the meme coins that are running, and even some of these blue chips. So links are down below. You guys can get started for a little over $1 a day for the first month. And here's the kicker. If you don't like it for whatever reason, 30-day money back guarantee. I'm telling you guys are going to love it, though. It works. You could use it with crypto stocks, Forex trading. You could even trade precious metals with commodities if you want. Again, those links are down below. But to put a final bow on this for HBAR, we're paying close to that RSI. Okay, we know that we're a little bit overbought right now, but we also know that altcoins have been running a little bit. Okay, we want to hit that year-to-date high. Okay, just under 10 cents. That is the level we're chasing. If momentum continues above that and buyers succeed in taking control over the supply zone, then look out. We've got some upside. It's exactly the blueprint we saw play out with Cardano. And I'm guessing right here. But again, I'm hedging my bets here, knowing that if it doesn't, I like HBAR as a long-term investment. That's how I'm playing it right now. Let me know if you guys got some value by smashing the like button. Ring the notification bell if you haven't already so you get notified every single time I put out another video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys as always, and we'll see you in the next video.